Hello and welcome to Sushi TV with your guide to the Japanese game show, Julian Clary. That's me. Now, since watching all the marvels that the wonderful world of Japanese TV has thrown up, I've decided to do my bit for good Anglo-Japanese relations. In fact, I've just finished filming the new Godzilla movie called Godzilla Goes Camping. It was filmed on location in the New Forest. You should see the size of his sleeping bag. You'd think he'd be quite ferocious, but really, he's rather nice. A bit like Lionel Blair with scaries. Join me, if you will, as I introduce you to the following delights of all things Oriental. We will meet a woman who prides herself on her sensitive hooter, men who love hanging about on slippery surfaces, a couple who are sushied up to the eyeballs, a bunch of Japanese weedies who can't get enough of polystyrene, the Japanese Richard Clayderman, and blow hot air at a lot of large balls. Firstly, let's take a deep breath as a group of sniffers get stuck into a bunch of freshly laundered nurses.